Ready na, boy?
Yeah. Let's go.
Pulpak kayo ta mga boss. On the way ta karon to Duck Mountain Provincial Park mga boss. Pero hapit lang sa taog gasolina kadali para tuloy-tuloy ng ligaya.
Pack your dreams in a suitcase. Leave the worries by the door. There's a world beyond our window. Let's find out what it's for. Maps and coffee on the dashboard. Laughter dancing in the air. Every mile we go together. New ventures everywhere. Let's hit the road together, just you and me forever. No need to know where we're going. Hearts are open, winds are blowing side by side through any weather. Let's hit the road together. Chasing sunsets on the highway, sing songs beneath the stars. Every town becomes a memory, no matter where we are. Writing stories as we wander, turning moments into gold. Hand in hand we'll keep discovering new chapters to unfold. Let's hit the road together, just you and me forever. No need to know where we're going. Hearts are open, winds are blowing side by side through any weather. Let's hit the road together. Maybe we'll get lost sometimes, but with you, that's just fine. Every wrong turn is a part of this journey.
Done.
We call
Almost
life.
there.
We're good now.
Yeah.
We're using these things so that when it's nighttime, we will see this so that we will not tip over.
What? Can you explain to me?
Our smart idea is to put this in on the rope so that when it's nighttime and then we're walking and wandering around, we will see this and then we will not tip over. This thing is really big and then at night we will just go, oh no,
Oh,
there's a rope in front of me, so I should go to the other way.
Oh, that's a good idea.
That's smart.
Yeah.
Let's go! Let's go!
Hello manager.
Hi.
Balot lagi ka.
Tugnaw! Tanaw akong kamo. Kamig kaayo. I love camping.
Camping is life.
Yeah. Camping is life.
Hello kids.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah.
We were supposed to go swimming, but we cannot.
Why?
Because it's so freaking cold. The water will like
Freezing?
make us freeze to death.
So how about our kayak?
Our kayak is used for nothing since it's so cold.
But we can still go there. We don't need to swim.
What if we fall down?
It's okay, you have your life vest, man. So you still float.
But what about you guys?
Huh?
What about you guys?
We also have our life vest.
I thought you guys were gonna swim.
You're supposed to use a life vest for kayak, just in case. So are we gonna go mamaya?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm so excited.
Yeah?
I can't wait to freeze to death just to bring fun.
Yeah.
See you mamaya.
Hello ate. How's life going on?
My hands are freezing.
Nang saday ka? Nanghugas ka?
Yeah, tapos dugay kay si Biboy tawagon.
Oh no. Now it's your fault.
Because I didn't hear her.
Did you help ate?
Yes, the only thing I helped her with is bringing the dishes.
Yeah, but that's a good one. At least you're helping her. So next time you're gonna do the dishes, okay? Mamaya.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, you're gonna wash everything we use. Okay? What's with that face?
I don't wanna do it.
No, you can do it.
I can't. I don't wanna do it.
Yes, you can.
No.
Diba, you told me you wanna learn.
Learn to do the bonfire, not the dishes.
Yeah, but you need to learn everything about camping. It's not just a bonfire. You also wash the dishes, put up the tent, everything.
Dishes more like bullshit.
Ano natin?
Bullshit.
Don't say that. Hello, manager. Are we done?
No, oh yeah.
Yeah? Almost? Sleepy na si ate. Boy, come on. Sleepy na si ate, boy.
Okay, then go sleep. And
Well-
then miss the fun of doing the kayak.
Come on, let's check our kayak. Come on.
Okay.
In the car. Let's go in the car. This one? See? What? That's what we're gonna use. Mamaya.
It's called Explorer, not kayak.
Yeah, it's called Explorer, the same with our car, but that's kayak. See that? Yeah. Okay?
Yeah.
So are you excited?
Yes. Let's go! Let's go! Camping sucks!
No, it's not. Why did you say that?
Because you told me to say anything about camping.
No.
Should I do the opposite?
Yeah.
Camping's good!
Yeah. That's good. What did Mama's cooking?
Sabaw.
Sabaw pork?
By the way, I think everybody heard you like, what is Mama Squid Game?
No, I didn't say Squid Game. I said cooking. How's your sleep last night?
Yeah, it's a bit laway.
Don't say that in the camera.
Why?
People don't need to know about that. That's confidential. Don't talk anything about laway. I mean,
It's so wet.
I mean, do you have a good sleep? Or
I had no dream.
you don't have a dream?
Yeah. Is the power on?
Yeah, already.
Does that mean there's signal?
So I think someone is. There's a truck. Oh, morning.
Morning. How you doing today?
Not too bad. Oh, that's cause we went like I think 6 last night, 7.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Office closes at 7, so that's probably why we weren't able to check you in. But we checked
Oh,
you
I
in, and you just need to keep this with you on your campsite.
Okay. Yep. Thank you.
Yeah. No worries.
Have a good day.
Yep. You too.
I want to work at a chef.
What shift? Oh, like
I
Cook?
want to work as a chef.
you wanna cook?
Yes, like my favorite restaurant, and then bring it home to let my kids think that it's for him, but it's actually for me. I'm actually gonna do a chef vlog when I own your channel and you're too old now.
And then
And then I'm gonna make a list just like you of my chef vlogs and my camping vlogs and
Yeah.
my
how
and
about
my fired on camera vlogs.
but how about if you get fired as a chef? So what are you gonna do?
Then I go downtown and then get another chef vlog.
like find another restaurant,
Yes.
or
but-
you're gonna have your own
yes,
restaurant?
But, yes, but if I'm tired of doing it and I don't want to do it again,
Mhm.
then I'm just gonna do a camping vlog
Okay.
or work as a campground worker,
Like
just
a
like
camp.
the guy from earlier.
Oh, I see.
Oh my God, it's freezing cold.
I think you need to go check, Mama, if he's done already,
Okay.
and let me know, okay?
Are you done? Yeah, we're gonna eat na. Kung dali ko magmatatawagan yung si Lola. No.
What did she say?
We're done.
Are you crying?
We're done.
Tap into your eyes.
It hurts.
What's wrong?
Oh my God.
What's wrong with your eyes?
I think something went in it.
Like an insect?
It hurts so much.
Yeah. You see? Here. Oh, there's a bird inside. Like a little bird. No.
Oh my God!
I'm just kidding.
Get out!
Oh, it's okay. Don't rub it. You might gonna hurt your eye.
Okay, guys, we're gonna eat because my mother's done cooking sabaw.
Mhm.
And then after lunch, then we're gonna go ride the kayak. Yay!
Let's go. Come on.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we just finished lunch. I cannot handle my voice. Why can you not pick somebody else?
Yeah, I know you can do it.
Cannot do it.
Okay, go
I'm
na.
just a kid. Hey guys, we just finished lunch.
So what do you wanna do now?
I want to use the kayak.
We'll see if it's not too cold, then we can go.
Yay!
Okay? Are you excited?
Yes!
Come on, let's go. Oh, what are you doing? Is that your happy dance?
Remember you used to go and record Mama and Ate walking?
Yeah.
Maybe you should do that again.
Yeah, this is what I'm doing right now.
Mag-init na ko.
When we're done using the kayak, maybe we can
Palaway lang ka.
Oh, palaway ko.
What?
When we're done using the kayak, maybe we can eat ice cream.
It's freezing. It's freezing cold.
Yes. Well, and that means ice cream are more yummier.
Then, yeah.
Yes. That's what ice cream are supposed to be. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Walking lang yun atong mabuhatan.
Yan yung mga. Kanin ang leg kayo ba? Samot ang hangin. Tugtaw kayo.
At least, boy na.
At least Boyno. Who in the
Nakakamping.
world is Boyno?
Mingaw kayo ang leg. Wala dyan kayo may nag...
Ay, naman nga po. Ikaw pangaligo.
Kasumon.
Ha? Tawa dito. Pero ano yung mga nangaligo dito?
She's gonna look like a stick man when she's old.
How about you? You wanna eat salad also?
I'm gonna become a hamburger. Or bigger than a truck.
Yeah.
Who in the... Is that a dog?
Ay, dog family dyan eh. Oh. Wala yung niya nga dog family. Anagya po yung nangaligo ngito eh. Isog Japon sila.
Kaya, oy. Siglaw kayo.
Ay,
No.
Aww.
Ay, dili mong okay na siya anong ngit pag tawag na.
Look, everyone is having
Humol ka.
Yeah, pag naka sa tubig,
Yeah.
okay ra siya.
Pero dili dyan dapat kumahawas. Ato sa to sila ha. Tanaw, dito lang sila.
Do I
What?
check the water? Do I put my hands in it and feel the...
Yeah, we should do that.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
But it's too cold. You wanna do it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, let's check the water. Wait for me.
Cold have to do with water.
Because if it's cold outside, then probably the water is so freezing cold.
It feels like medium.
If it's medium, then we can go swim.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try.
There's still people here.
Mhm.
Okay, Dad. I think you should stop. You're close.
Yeah, you try it.
You're close into getting the water.
So,
Wait again.
again. What?
Yeah, it's medium.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Oh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, let me try it. It's not medium.
No.
You wanna go swim?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's so cold, man.
Yeah, whatever. Just that it's cold. It's not like there's sharks in it.
Wait, we can ask Mama na lang.
No.
No, let's ask them to try the water first before we go swim.
Oh, just me.
Yeah.
No.
Go get Mama.
Come. Even you, Ate, come here. Mama, can you come here? Also you, Ate. Feel the water to see if you guys can swim on it.
Gusto daw niya mag-swim.
Yay! I can go! Okay, let's go and get my net. Dad, remember this used to be the spot where, you know,
What spot?
you know that spot used to be the spot where my iPad broke.
And do you remember this spot right there?
What spot?
Where you sat?
Yeah.
Remember? What did you say? What did you say in there? Are you excited for the swim? Yeah? Thumbs up? If excited?
But I'm not excited when my iPad broke. But I'm not excited that my iPad broke.
I'll check the water.
I
Come
can
on, let's check.
handle anything except for knives and bullets.
Wow, grabe.
You can handle anything, huh?
I can handle any water temperature. Yes, very cold and very hot.
Siguro kung anong it?
Huh?
Siguro kung dili hangin, no? Try it.
Huh?
Nagapangita lagi sa mga bakal-bakal. O mga tunok ba? Tingin ko.
Feel it, please.
Go. Sige. Naman. Ha?
Kaya na niya.
See?
Sure ka?
Yeah.
I wanna go.
Oh, tawag ko parang upat lang sila nagligo. B-boy,
Yes.
how about we're just gonna go to the slide na lang? True? Playground. Come on.
Man.
Come on, let's go to the playground na lang.
Okay, can you please keep my hands?
Come Mama. Come on, let's go.
We're gonna go to the playground. We're gonna stay there until it's the weather is finally medium level.
So hula ko nimo nga mag-init siya.
Yes. It's not init, it's medium level.
O tanaw nang ano lang gani sila o. Hula na lang sila.
I don't make sense at camping because
But
I don't know.
Meet new friends at playground.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I don't even know how I got Ryder or Kelson.
Or na si ate. Ay na pag ano niya dira, nakababa man pero kung i-drivean niya maingay.
Sige, tingnan nila niya. No, I mean, pambiyada tingnan siya pa rin. Sige. Lagi na to yun. Met. Dili mo mag-washroom? Busawon man pug ka diri oy.
Basta lamig, sige po.
Sige iihi ba kay tugnaw kayong hangin?
Oo, diba?
So nice din no? Oo. Kaso tugnaw lang kayong hangin. Ana po picnic area sila diri oh. Pero
Habang nagdula-dula ang
amo goy. Hindi lang dahil ka diri mag-day trip lang no?
Yeah.
Tambay lang diri ba? Diba?
Dito sa kabila na po, diba?
Asa?
Itong ano ni mo, umauna ni.
Ano to daw? Yeah, nice food. Nakay bench. Tapos nailutuan ka diri. Tapos ang nakanindot diri kay dari mong view oh. Diba? Pangkaon ka tapos nani mong view. Nindot kayo. Diba?
Ay, kung dili, enta day ano po. Dira ang to mag-start day sa Tungkaya.
Pwede ka dala masakay. Pwede ka masakay. Pwede po ka dala masakay oh. Patong lang ka dala sa dala sa iya. So, unsa man? Maligo ta?
Wala oh.
Kaya?
Ay, dili mong gawa si Sam.
Again. Unsa nga nimo? Unsa?
Kayak na lang ang pag-asa kay di ka ligo.
Pwede man to magkayak pero kanang jacket nimo.
Onya kay hangin man kaayo.
Di ba suoton nimo ng jacket nimo plus life vest.
Onya kay mag-practice pa man ta. Sure jud ta nga di ta mga tumbling. Pag sure.
Bitaw ta mga kano.
Onya ka
Try na
mga
to.
back tumbling ta.
Dili hinay lang ka, dili lang ka maglihok.
Oh.
Ako lang ako lang magbugsay. Ha? Naman, deal?
That's sure.
Kabalo ka unsay kinaingon sa mga puti.
Unsa daw?
There's only one way to find out.
Oh, parang dili na ko siya kaya panindigan na dili ko mabag-tumbling kay first time.
Dili na maingon nga dili kaya kung dili na to buhaton. No, deal or no deal?
I don't know, I'm not sure.
Ay, nagdudula siya dito.
Ay, nag-playground.
Ina di sa baba.
Diri sa baba, kusog ang signal diri girl. Diri dayon ang signal sa may kakahuyan.
Ina, be? Dire dol sa lake. Ato dire.
Ay, kadungog ang isa siya. Oh, nay. Ay, nagdagan na yung siya. Kadungog sa signal. Siya nag yun.
Ana siya.
Madagan ko na yun siya, oh.
Ana siya dula.
Nalipay kay siya.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
What?
Why? Why are you
Are
happy?
you still on call?
And then,
Oh.
oh, look at, naku yung signal.
Okay, can you please?
Try ko di mga ano.
Hey, please.
Try mo real.
Ay, maupon na, di takakuan.
Hey, let's get my iPad and then go here. Signal, signal.
Ay, hala, pwede na mag-country, ah.
Wait, we could go camping here. So, like, if we're beside a house that gives us signal?
Yeah, sometimes.
I don't have LTE.
Oh, that's the thing.
But Dad, I use it when I'm outside, and I have to like let you guys know. Can I have a connection? Can I have a connection? Can I have a connection? Guess what? We can actually camp here with Wi-Fi.
Okay.
I mean LTE. Look behind you. There's a fire, bro.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
You have your LTE connection maybe, but we don't have power electricity.
What's power
Like
electricity?
where you charge your iPad? If you're low bat, that's a problem.
Oh. So we can just sneak in that tatay's house.
No, you can just stay here if you wanna. If you wanna, don't sneak in someone's house. That's not a good idea. You can just stay here.
I mean, I'm not gonna go there when it's midnight. And I think the opposite will be I'm gonna go there when I just woke up.
So that's it for today. Back to barracks at mga boss kay parang di jud makaya sa power dre. Tugnaw kayo. Ang taugma medyo arang-arang ng panahon. No?
Oh, yeah.
Come on. So we're gonna drink some hot black coffee.
Coffee na lang po. Pang kanang kala sa pang kape karon.
Yeah. Ay dapat maghapit siguro kayo dito.
Ay, gani.
Little creamer.
Actually, mali ato ang dala karon.
Ano man?
Kaya wala ka nagdala og mga 3-in-1, kanang tawag ni noodles, kaya diba, healthy foods na lang ito. Sa digang mali man di ay.
Pait pug kayo to eh.
Kani, pait mo na kay ang black coffee.
Kapit sa may dito sa tindahan nila mga boss kay kita kami dito nasa like creamer or fresh milk.
Kaya mga katabang ka sa
Dili makaya ang kapait. Pait pa sa kapalaran.
super.
So inaw ni muna kasi like ano dala gatas. Oh, what's this? What's that?
There's also turtles. I like turtles.
You like what?
I want turtles. Not a real turtle, that turtles.
Which one?
That turtles, not a real turtle. I wanna
Ha?
eat.
This milk? Ay ka na lang gagmay. Ay,
Ah, ara lang.
wala man sila yung creamer.
Okay ni, half and half cream.
Kasi ka.
Kari lang.
Okay.
Isa pa.
Ay, nasa limang damit nito.
Kailangan natin.
Can we get dairy milk so that
Nito ang
I
amo ang
so
ano.
that I can drink milk? I wanna drink milk.
Hmm?
I wanna drink milk.
Yeah, we're just gonna mix that with your coffee. Yan ito amo ang ano sa union. Yeah. No, wala to na sunog. Coming pa. Ha?
Hindi ka kape.
Si kape. Kita itong mga kape dito.
Ganina naman kay kape.
Kapait-pait na ganyan yung dila niya.
Kanila ang atong baliton.
Which one?
Oh, actually this. How did you guys forgot? We literally went here last year.
Do you see what I see? Yeah. Yepper. Dagdag na to sa itong bridge. Yeah. Let's go. Uh-oh. Now we're gonna... Here's the bulsa.
Happy ang bata.
Try it. What's the taste?
So good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, good luck na lang sa sipon. Entonces, yun na yung ilong mo niya.
Go. And
So, do you like it?
yes. Best
What's the
camping
taste?
ever.
Yeah?
Best camping ever.
What's the taste?
Awesome.
Hmm? So, dili na ta maligo.
So, okay, wala ka nakaligo karon?
Are we good?
We're already good because
Oh.
you said it's just tomorrow. I'm now patient.
Oh.
I'm more patient now.
That's a good
Last
one.
year I was acting like a brat. Now I'm more patient.
Very good. Pilay mo nabayaran dito ngit? 14? Ara. Pilay lang milk eh.
No, gani. Tag 4. 14.77.
Oh, tag gis na. Ano, ice cream.
Oh, ang ice cream ang mahal kay 4.80 naman eh.
Kaya ra. Sana lipay ilang kalag.
It is best camping ever. Because of the ice cream, right? Kasi pag walay ice cream sa camping, I
Sad.
think, dili siya best camping.
Boy. B-boy. Pag walay camping,
Ay, walay ice cream
ay pag walay ice cream,
sa camping.
Well, I can't.
pag walay ice cream, sad.
Without my favorite food or snack, it's bad. Bad camping ever.
Ami sila.
Try this bla.
Sag mo ka?
Doon yung
Back to barracks na ta mga boss. Ambot nga nung nagpalit ng tag ice cream nga. Tugnaw mo ta kayo.
no, ganina sa dito lang.
Bis ka magpalit ra ta mi og gatas kay para is sagol sa kape.
Okay guys, since we didn't use the kayak today, we are heading to Baldy Mountain, which is my principal's head. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? It's not that funny.
It's so funny. I'm gonna talk to your friend.
No! Don't do it. Don't tell my principal. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't
Where
do
are we
it.
going?
Baldy Mountain, my
And-
principal's head.